Okay, motor is supposed to turn off pretty soon automatically. As soon as it gets down below the float, once the float drops. Did it? Alright, my test worked. Hey there, little greenhouse update. So the pump worked. It came in 2 days. I ordered it last Friday, and the sump pump, or I guess they call it a bilge pump. And the bilge pump came 2 days later, Sunday. So I'm like out here in the rain putting it in, and it pretty much emptied the entire greenhouse thing out in 5 minutes, maybe 10, maybe between 5 and 10 minutes. I didn't really time it, but it was a lot of water. And now you can kind of see the drainage coming out from the, yeah, it just turned back on again. So it just filled up enough to turn back on. Yeah, see, because there's water just pouring in there still. Yeah, so a live action shot there. Beaverton, Oregon, signing off. Your dad. Love you. Bye.